Solve the equation for x. Log 1 over 16 base x is equal to 4. The number 16 can be expressed in index form with 4 at the base. 16 is the same as 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is simply equal to 4 raised to the power 2. 1 over 16 is simply equal to 1 over 4 raised to the power 2, which gives us 4 raised to the power negative 2. In the above equation, the left hand side will simply be the log of 1 over 16. We are going to replace with the 4 raised to the power negative 2 base x is equal to 4. Next step, what we are going to do is we are going to change the base of the left hand side to a new base of 4. Then the log of 4 raised to the power negative 2 base 4 all over the log of x base 4 is equal to 4. Then we can send out this power. It gives us negative 2 times log 4 base 4. Log 4 base 4 is equal to 1. Negative 2 times 1 remains negative 2 all over the log of x base 4 is equal to 4, which can be expressed as 4 over 1. Next, we are going to cross multiply. Then negative 2 times 1 remains negative 2. It will be equal to 4 times log x base 4, and this will be equal to negative 2. Next, what we are going to do is we are going to divide both sides by 4. Then the log of x base 4 will be equal to negative 2 all over 4, which is simply equal to negative 1 on 2, negative a half. Next step, what we are going to do is we are going to change from logarithmic form to index form. Then x will simply be equal to 4 raised to the power negative a half. 4 raised to the power negative a half is simply equal to 1 all over 4 raised to the power a half, which is simply equal to 1 over the square root of 4, which is equal to 1 over 2. It gives us a half. Then we conclude, therefore, x is equal to a half. We are done with the solution. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.